The importance of meditation. In our modern age, we read articles about mindfulness, books about mindfulness, books on meditation. We recognize the value, but do we really understand what this means? For example, if I ask you to be mindful of what? Or to be conscious, what does that even mean? How do we do it? In vocal awareness, the framework for everything we do, we call it conscious awareness. Mindfulness of conscious awareness, not simply being attuned, but being aware at the same time in multiple ways, in multiple levels, of how to truly be in the moment, which is what in part mindfulness is about. This is what I call conscious awareness. So why is it not merely important, but critical that we learn to meditate, that we meditate, that we create timeouts for ourselves? As you will learn later, there are 7 rituals in vocal awareness. Stature is preparation for all 7 rituals. The 6th, as you will learn and we will discuss later, is pay attention, deeper listening. I share that here because in this work, we learn to tune in intrapersonally to prepare us to tune in interpersonally in our lives in a far more complex and integrative way. Mindfulness meditation certainly enhances the alpha wave, which helps us become more creative. We can read myriad books on the topic. That is not the subject of this course. This course is more about doing than the theoretical of the philosophy, psychology behind it. Suffice it to say, vocal awareness is a paradigm shift. So even if you are a practiced meditator, practiced at yoga, strive to be spiritually mindful. This work will take you even deeper and allow you to go even further in your own personal spiritual process.